वेलकम टू आवर चैनल। सो हम देख रहे हैं पाइथन फॉर डाटा साइंस सीरीज। आज के वीडियो में हम देखने वाले हैं रिमेनिंग ऑपरेटर्स इन पाइथन। इन द लास्ट वीडियोस वी हैव सीन assignment operator, arithmetic operator, logical operator, comparison operator, bitwise operator, and now we gonna see remaining operator which is useful for our Python programming, which is a membership operator and identity operator. So let's see what is a membership operator. So it used to test if the sequence or that item is present in the given variable. So we use membership operator when we want to check our given sequence or the item is it present in a given variable or not. That time we use membership operator. So there are two membership operator. First one which is in and not in. So it return true. In operator it return true if that value is found in the specified sequence or the specified variable. Otherwise sequence or the specified variable. Otherwise it will return false. When and not in operator it return true if that value is not found in the specified sequence or we can say specified variable. Otherwise it return false. When we want when we given some value and we want to check either this value present in the given variable value or the item present in the given variable, then we use a membership operator. Let's see how it works. Suppose I have a string 1 which is Python and I want to check let's see the example of in operator. Suppose I have a string 1 equal to Python and I want to check either character P or item P is it in a string 1, then it will return true because our P is in a string 1. Suppose I have some character which is L and I want to check either this L is in our string 1, then it will return false because L character which is not present in our given sequence or given variable we can say. So now we see the not in operator, membership operator. So suppose I want to know either yes in a not in a our string 1, then it will return not in yes not in a string 1, then it return 2 because here we pass a Python string and where yes item yes is not present in a given sequence, so that's why it return 2. Suppose I want to know either item or the character y not in a string 1, then it will return false because our y present in a given sequence. So this is called membership operator. So it basically checks either this given value or the member of specified sequence or the variable. So this is called membership operator. Now we see the identity operator. So this operator is used to compare the memory locations of two objects rather than their values. So it compares the memory locations of that two objects or the two variable. It not compare the values in that variable. So they check if two variables point to the same object in the memory, then it return true. So let's see, as we seen, it's used to test the sequence, is it present in the object, or it used to compare the memory locations of two objects or the two variables we can say. So there are two identity operator, first is and second one is not. So is operator it return true if that both variables are in the same object or are in the same memory locations, that time it return true, otherwise it return false. And is not operator is not identity operator, it return true if both variables are not in the same object, which is not in a same object, then is not operator return true, otherwise it return false. So let's see how. Suppose I am taking one a variable which containing 1 2 3 list of 3 number, and I am taking one more variable which is b, also I am passing the same values which is 1 2 and 3. And now I'll take one variable which is c equal to a. Now I want to check either our a is a b, which means I want to check either our a and b object or the variable a and b are in the same memory location. Then it will return false, because here these having the same value but they are in the different memory locations. So that's why we get a false result. And suppose I want to know either our c is a, so it will return true, because here our c is equal to memory locations or this object in the same memory. So that's why we get a true. So same thing we do with is not identity operator. Suppose I want to print a is not b, which means it will return true, because our a and b are in the not object in the same memory, or these are just having the same value but which is not object in the same memory locations. So this is, and suppose I want to check print either c is not a, so it will return false, because our c is equal to a and these are following the same memory locations, or this object in the same memory. So this is called identity operator. So it compares the memory locations of two objects or the two variables. So that's it for this video. In the next video, we'll see the if-else conditional statement in the Python. And on upcoming videos, we'll see the whole Python concept which is useful for a data science. We're gonna see the data science Python library which is useful for the data science, and also we're gonna see the machine learning, natural language processing, deep learning, and artificial intelligence concept. So do like, share, and subscribe our channel. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, stay tuned.